And we're back, boys. Today I just got a little tutorial for you. It's just how to make your computer a little bit faster. That's all really there is to it. I'm just gonna show you straight away how to run this. Alright, so you can do run, or you can do the Windows button and then R. Just type in prefetch. These are just useless files you don't need. Go ahead and delete them. And if they say that you're still using them, just do skip. And now we're gonna do temp for temporary files. Put % signs on each side. These are temporary files that your computer doesn't need. And now type in temp without the %. Just delete those. Oh, all those files I was using, okay, that's fine. And now you can see our recycle bin is full. So what we're gonna do is just go to File Explorer. You can search it up in your Windows tab. I put it in my taskbar. Go to Local Disk C. Right click, Properties. Go to Disk Cleanup. And just check all these boxes. These are files that your computer doesn't need, and you have to delete them manually. None of the cleaners clean these, so you just have to do a disk cleanup. Now you just wait for the cleanup. Now you go to Tools, go to Optimize. This is just gonna optimize your drive so it will run better. It's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some more steps while that's working. Right now, CCleaner, it's a very good program. It's like just a program that's made to clean your computer and do it good. It's the one program I've been using for a while, and it's really good. And now this is just a little bonus one if you're a gamer. It's Razer Cortex. It's just a program that deletes files and other things. Doesn't really do much, but it'll help your frame rates. It's taking a while because my optimization is making my computer a little bit laggy. Alright, once it's loaded in, you can see that you can add your own games. Alright, so this is all you have to do to add your game. You just push the plus sign, then you go explore your files and click the game you want to put in your library. But if you just push play on your regular one, like if you just go in your File Explorer, it doesn't do it as well. If you do it in Razer Cortex, it makes it faster. This is what I was talking about. You just have to push restore on all of them and then do optimize. Then all you have to do is just restart your computer after it's done. And that's about it, guys. The one all the way to the right is going to take a while, but that's just all there is to it. It's just a really easy tutorial. I do this like every time I open my computer. And have a good day.